Alright guys, what's going on? I'm back again with another revision on this tune. It is still really late out. Actually, if you watched the previous video, it's actually the same night because Brad decided to send me another file right then and there because he's a freaking OG god. But yeah, so we're going to switch over to this other one. He said he pulled some timing for me and actually lowered the boost a little bit. So we'll see how that runs. Hopefully the pulling timing will help, but we'll see. Like I said, I don't know. This is revision 2. So we're in the car again. And let's see. Alright, so like I stated, normal driving feels a lot better than before. Already, so I think he said he pulled some boost and some timing, and yeah, so we're gonna get to the spot or a spot and do maybe a couple pulls and sand them real quick. Alright guys, so I did a couple logs, sent to my tuner, talked about more stuff. I'm videoing a lot of this stuff like on YouTube. You guys are seeing the exact videos that I'm actually sending to him. There's a couple of things happening right now. So it actually ran really good on the pulls and all that stuff. Right now we have an issue in 4th gear. I'm not sure if it's doing it in 32. I should check actually. But in 4th gear, as you guys can probably see, I think I have a video of it. I'll put it in right here. But yeah, so what it's doing is in 4th gear, right as I'm getting into boost, it is what my tuner is saying is it's leaning out and causing it to do that, causing it to kind of like make like almost like it seems like it's misfiring, but it's not. It's just leaning out. So he's gonna tweak that. He's gonna try to squeeze a little bit more power into it for tonight. But you know, we don't really want to push it too hard just tonight because this was a really like a kind of a quick revision. Like I think we're gonna be on 3 revisions now, and then we'll go from there. But you know, I'm already talking to him about doing water meth, and I'm already talking to him about doing some upgrading fueling because he's saying that this turbo actually it's capable of maxing out the stock turbo, or sorry, the stock fueling system because of how much air is actually running. So without being on E30 right now too. So that's another thing is I do have an E30 map coming from him as well, but he still has to do a lot of R&D on that. So we don't know exactly how long it's going, but I have already put down my payment for that and all that stuff. So E30 is definitely coming. I think hopefully by that time I have an ethanol sensor because then we can just kind of know exactly what ethanol we are at. Alright, just got yet a 3rd revision like I said. So we're on 3 now. Hopefully he got the weird leaning of 4th gear or whatever right when I get into boost down. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Change ECU. I'm not going to bore you guys with this, so cutting it. this works, but my paddles don't work. Like, look, I'm sitting here clicking it, my paddles don't work. I'm gonna try to reflash again, maybe something happened. But that's funny, this thing works though. Yeah, all of that works, and so far the car feels great, like really good driving normally. I haven't hit boost yet because I was in the paddle mode and I can't shift. So yeah, so I sent the thing to my tuner. The car drives in just normal automatic mode fine, and this thing is like you know, when you go plus minus on this thing it works, but the paddles don't work. So I'm gonna pull over and see if I can get that done. Maybe my tuner's still up, but he sent the file and then fell asleep. So shoot, I don't know what to do at this point. It's just funny. All right, flashing it again. I made sure it's the right map. It was the right map before, so I don't know what happened. That's funny though, but maybe he has to change something on the settings for these to work. But that's funny. Be right back. Flashed it. We'll see how this goes. I think sadly my tuner has fallen asleep, or just put down his phone. Yeah. It does not work. Rest in peace. Alright, well, good news is that this works just fine. Like me, you know, shifting on here just fine. So if I really wanted to shift by myself, I can do that. Automatic, like I said, shifts just fine, just drive mode. So we're Gucci for now. Hopefully he'll message me in the morning and can get that fixed up too, because that's funny. But we can still try out this tune and all that. So let's head back towards my house, but also drive it nicely and spiritually. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So this is gonna be our third revision that we're on now, and as you guys see, we're gonna be on probably 4 and 5 tomorrow. There is even a little bit more of that little stuttering. It's not as much, but it's still there, so I'm gonna definitely send that over to him. I did get some logs of it happening, and of course I have the videos showing that it's happening, so he's gonna have to fine-tune that a little bit more. It hopefully it's not because it's already maxing out the stop fueling system. I hope that's not it, or the reason, I mean. But yeah, I will see you guys on the next upload. Peace.